New hack.
New hack. So, I've seen these videos where at the big outdoor sporting stadiums they have plastic seats, and in between games or once a season or something, I don't know, anyway, blokes go along with this huge big flamethrower thing, and where the seat's faded, turns it back to new. So, we thought we'd try the bumper. So as you can see, this is a plastic bumper, and it's all faded, and because it's textured, you can't really do much with it. So, let's see what happens. This is just a normal heat gun. I don't even know what setting I'm on. I'll just go to hot. Is that hot? Can you see that? Is that hot? Oh yeah, it is. Can you see it? Okay, so it's hot. Is it melting the lens? Okay. So let's have a look. I'll just sit here and drink beer. Hang on, maybe I better concentrate. Look at that. Now, I don't really want to go too close to our new flares because they're only a very thin plastic. I can see it melting. Oh, look at that. Mate, it's brand new second hand. Get you some of that.
It's way better than the last pack that we started and didn't work.
What was that one?
Vinegar. Removing scale.
Yeah, we won't show you that one.
We didn't show you. It was so embarrassing. It just didn't work.
Didn't work.
This is working good.
Hang on. Yeah. Mate, looks like a new car now. If only you could do this like with a paint job. How good would that be? Mate, that's pretty good.
You can see the difference. Look at that. That's really good. And this is on our wide body JDM car now.
Wide body.
Cool as.